I am craving delicious chocolate fudge brownies, but I don't want all of that sugar. So today I am making keto chocolate fudge brownies that are going to taste amazing. All right, the first thing you want to do is grab your almond flour and place it in a bowl, followed by adding in your cocoa powder. Followed by your sweetener of choice. Today I'm using the Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, the granular version, and I'm just gonna place that in my bowl now. Last but not least, just add a little bit of baking powder. Not baking soda, baking powder. Now you're gonna take your whisk and whisk all those dry ingredients together. Now we're gonna put that to the side, grab our butter, and melt it. Now that the butter is melted and hot, you're going to take half of your chocolate chips and pour them straight into the melted butter, and you're gonna stir it until it's completely melted. Now I do wanna say before I do that, I do link all of the ingredients that I use in the description below. So if you want this recipe to taste really, really close to exactly what I have made here, definitely check out those ingredients that I use to get the exact brand. But if you don't care as much, it's not a problem. However, if you do purchase anything through one of those links, I do receive a small commission for that. It does help this channel and I really do appreciate it. So thank you if you do use that. Anyway, enough talking. Let's just go ahead and pour that in. If you're noticing that the chocolate chips just really aren't melting down very well, don't be afraid to put this mix back into the microwave for about 30 seconds, then take it out and then give it a good mix. Just probably close the container that you're using, put like a plate over it or some plastic wrap or something, because you don't want this exploding all over your microwave. That would be very messy. And I do not want to be held responsible for microwaves being dirty. This is looking great. It's nice and silky. That's exactly what you want. Now that we're done with this, we're going to put this to the side and let it cool down for a little bit before we add our eggs. If you just add the eggs in there straight away, it's going to make kind of a chocolate scrambled egg, which would not taste good at all. So don't even try it. All right, now we're just gonna put that to the side, grab our dry ingredients, and we're going to just add the wet ingredients into the dry. Make sure you grab a little spatula or something just to really scrape out all of that chocolate butter mix. You want every single bit of it. Now we're gonna whisk it all together until it's completely combined. I really should have used a bigger whisk. This just is not cutting it. All right, perfect. I'm going to now preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. You gotta keep an eye on them because if you don't, they'll burn. If they burn, they won't taste good. If they don't taste good, you're all coming at me at the comments and you're accusing me of having really bad quality recipes. Okay, this just took a turn for the worst. I'll be right back. Now that that's all mixed through, you're going to take the remaining bits of your chocolate chips and just pour it in, then mix it through. All right, this is looking good. Now I'm gonna put that to the side, grab my, oh, that was loud. Grab the dish that I'm going to bake these in, and I'm just gonna pour this straight in. So let's do it. Done. So now we're gonna put this in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Just make sure you keep an eye on them. Every oven is different. Some run hotter, some run colder. So about 20 to 30 minutes is your range. Let's go ahead and put those in the oven right now. Oh my goodness. These brownies look and smell just like normal brownies with heaps of sugar in them. but they don't have any sugar in them. They're completely keto friendly. And that's why this is the best keto chocolate fudge brownie that you will ever have. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.